Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Siti Khadijah binti Khairul Imran. I'm 20 years old. I'm from Marang, Kuala Terengganu. Right now, I'm studying at UTHM Johor in Bachelor of Science Industrial Chemistry with Honors. So for the semester, I'm going to do hot air balloon project. So now I'm going to tell you how the hot air balloon works. So hot air is less dense than cool air. A hot air balloon uses a burner to heat up the air inside the balloon. So the warm air inside the balloon expands and exerts pressure on the wall of the balloons, causing it to inflate. When the air is heated and trapped inside the balloon, it causes the balloon to rise because it is lighter than the whole volume of the cool air. The actual balloon, which is called an envelope, has to be so large as it takes such a large amount of heated air to lift it off to the ground. To help keep the balloon in the air and rising, hot air needs to be propelled upwards into the envelope using the burner. The envelope is heated by the burner using propane gas, which moves the balloon off the ground. So the operator must keep firing the right amount of heat throughout the flight to make sure the balloon will be stable throughout the ride. Also, the hot air will not escape the hole on the envelope because hot air rises and buoyancy fan upwards force that the air exerts keeps it moving up. Hot air balloons demonstrate several principles of gas law, which is Boyle's law, Charles law, and ideal gas law. So, Boyle's law. This law states that at a constant temperature, the pressure of gas is inversely proportional to its volume. In a hot air balloon, as the air inside the balloon is heated, it expands, causing the volume to increase. This expansion decreases the density of the air inside the balloon, making it less dense than the surrounding cooler air. As a result, the balloon rises because the pressure inside the balloon is less than the pressure outside. Secondly, Charles law. So this law states that at a constant pressure, the volume of gas is directly proportional to its absolute temperature. When the air inside the balloon is heated, its temperature increases, causing the volume of the air to expand. The expansion fills the balloon and causes it to rise. So for the last one, which is ideal gas law. This law combines Boyle's law, Charles law, and Avogadro's law into a single equation, which is PV equal to nRT, where P is pressure, V is volume, N is the number of mole of the gas, R is the ideal gas constant, and T is temperature. In the case of a hot air balloon, this law helps to explain the relationship between the temperature, volume, pressure, and amount of gas inside the balloon as it ascends. In summary, a hot air balloon rising involves the heating of air inside the balloon, which causes the air to expand, which is Charles law, and become less dense than the surrounding air, which is Boyle's law, resulting in an upward buoyant force. These principles are governed by the ideal gas law, which describes the behavior of gases in response to changes in temperature, pressure, and volume. That's all from me. Bye-bye!